Welcome to this custom-built one-level home, nestled in a perfectly serene setting on just over 6 acres. Enjoy the feeling of country living with close-in convenience near Wilsonville, the freeway, and excellent Sherwood schools. The wide, private, gated driveway leads you to your own park-like oasis, including a large pole barn with a shop and RV parking. The home sits on 1 landscaped acre, plus 5 acres of pasture. You'll have peace of mind with a security gate and a 7-camera security system. Head inside and discover hardwood floors, large windows, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, and Peekaboo mounted views. The kitchen features quartz countertops, a gas range, refrigerator, and pantry. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has plenty of space with more than 2,100 square feet. The vaulted primary suite is filled with natural light where you can wake up to peaceful views and enjoy an office or nursery. You'll find a dual sink vanity, tiled shower, and a large walk-in closet. The private deck overlooks the beautiful backyard with the numerous plantings, a concrete patio and fire pit, raised garden beds, and a sprinkler system. The 36 by 48-foot pole barn includes 240-amp power, water, and a loft area. Room for all of your toys. An exceptional opportunity on Graham's Ferry Road in Sherwood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.